What should be in the written part of the business plan presentation? A successful business plan provides a brief but detailed and attractively formulated account of your business idea and how you intend to implement it. In other words, who is the founder and what sets him or her apart? With what product or service do you plan to position yourself on the market? What differentiates your product or service from others? Who is your target group? What is the market situation? What do competitors in the same segment have to offer? A good business plan also needs information about the marketing strategy, including sales channels. How do you plan to advertise? What is your marketing strategy? What plans do you have for sales and pricing? Where is the best place to locate the company and why? You should also include a risk analysis. You need to explain what risks could be associated with the startup or your product or service and how these risks can be minimized. Lastly, you should also say something about the goals of and prospects for your business. Ultimately, however, no two business plans are alike. Each one is unique. To summarize, the written part of the business plan should address the following topics: business idea, unique selling propositions, profile of the founder or the team, assessment of the market, competitive situation, marketing strategy, personnel management, choice of location, risk analysis, goals and prospects. Besides the written part, however, the business plan also contains a financial section. Okay, got that?